guys, welcome back to it. Today we're gonna be playing some Would You Rather. Sorry about that sound. I have to get this off. Okay, ready guys? Here we are. They gonna be lions. I was trying to upload my last video, guys, but my recorder, I just had to do some stuff to it. So, yeah, here we are. Look at this kitty. I want to be that kitty. I get to go super high up in the air like them. Okay, you guys. Today, we're going to be recording another video like my last video. It didn't work good, so I'm going to try another one. Woohoo! So, yep. We're gonna have a nice day. Woohoo! And I am having a nice day. Guys, comment down below if you're having a nice day or not. Okay, I wanted to be a skeleton, you guys, but it may be a zombie. Actually, guys, I don't like zombies that much. I like skeletons better, so sorry, but I actually don't like these skeletons. So, let's keep on going. Woohoo! Look, he's a cool kid. Woohoo, he's cool. I'm gonna say, hi, God. Hi. Hi. And Rick. Hey guys, I am Rick. Kill people. Stay safe, stay safe. No, guys, I died. Help me. Okay, you guys, let's get back. Guys, you can see I played. I have 4,000 points already. You can see that, but it's just, yeah. So let's get into another round. Woohoo! Guys, I'm back for another video. So yeah. No, that was just because I paused the video. Sorry about that, you guys. I paused the video by accident. But we'll get back into it. You guys don't see that on your eye because I was looking past it, so yeah. Let's get ready! Woohoo! Guys, we still have like a couple. What? He's flying! How do you fly? Oh, have an hoverboard. Have an hoverboard. I don't want an action. Where's my hoverboard? This is my hoverboard. No. They have an actual hoverboard that hovers. I had this one before, guys. It was not when I was recording. It was just when I was recording. It was just when I was playing. I can jump. Watch this, you guys. So help me. I can't move. Woohoo! How do you exit this vehicle? I just had to jump out of it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's get into it. Be a noob. Be a guest. Be a guest. I wanna be the last guest. I'm a new guest. I'm the last guest, you guys. I'm the last guest. Okay, guys. Woohoo. Yeah, guest. Guest. Yeah, guest. He's dancing. I want to dance. 1 minute. See you guys. Watch this. Yeah, you just go like dance. Hit D A N C E. So you can go dancing. Woo! You guys don't become a unicorn. Become a dinosaur. Dinosaurs are better than unicorns. Okay, you guys. Hold on. I'm a T-Rex from Jurassic Park. /ATANCE. Woo! Nice. Fidget spinner. Become a fidget spinner. Woo! Woo! Let's go, you guys. Well, no, I'm a fidget spinner. Look at my head, you guys. It's just spinning around with the fidget spinner. You guys, this game, own it, fidget spinner yourself. Well, I like Superman. That's what that guy has, and he also has VIP. His fingers robots. He probably has an infinite house. Oh, let's go, you guys. Wait, next round, we are in. My fidget head is spinning. Be an epic neon cat, be a speedy guy. Epic neon cat! Epic neon cat. My head's still spinning. Okay, here we go. Keep on going. Keep on going, you guys. Okay. Woo. Oh. Here we go, you guys. Please hit the top. Yes. Coming down for what? That was me. This rhino. My tracks are coming on me. My tracks were coming. Oh no. 2, 1. A robot. Hell yeah. Okay, guys. This is gonna be so fun. I'm an alien. I got some alien heads. Woo! Woo! Hi, Dad. Hi, guys. That was just my dad. That was just my dad. So sorry about that, guys. Okay. Daddy, I just said dad in my video. Guys, I just tell my dad that. Slow death. Slow death. Just Six. I can make it in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 guys, 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 guys. Yes, I survived, you guys. But I'm still dying. This is not right. I'm still dying. No. 3, 2, 1. I had to survive that round. Yes, be a skeleton. Be a zombie. Skeleton! How could this happen to me? Help me! Oh, guys. No. Oh, I was in the skeleton zone. Okay. Boom. Watch this, guys. So, see? These skeletons.
Shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech, you'll shake and shudder.
Let's go.
Okay, bye, buddy.
Yeah. Don't say your name, okay?
Hey.
Woohoo! You guys, we are going fast. Have a mushroom. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for the episode, and I'm a skeleton. And thanks you guys all for watching, and bye.